Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to install our terry cloth seat towel accessories. They're pretty cool. They're just real simple objects that we sell at 1A Auto, and they sell them for different makes and models. Today we're working on a Honda, so we're going to install these Honda cloths. It's a terry cloth, so it's easy to wash, and it just simply slips right over the seat. And you can see here the seat's got some old tears on it. It's an old vinyl seat. It's got some mileage, so instead of spending $200 or $300 on seat covers, you can just easily throw over this nice seat cushion for the winter. Keep your seat warmed up. Comes with the emblem on it. Bring it in on the weekend and give it a wash in the washing machine. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.